DOCS stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in a short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And as I'm looking at Doximity stock, $80 is where we're at. Main reason why I'm even making a video is that 35% increase in price with Doximity stock analysis. Generally speaking, I have gotten thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years and spent thousands on courses and mentors, documented everything. Generally speaking, with that in mind, like I already have my also previous drawings as well, but that was like all in that supply zone and we started shifting, so it's a whole different story now. I like the expansion, and like for the price action that I have right now, I'm just looking for this to keep breaking new highs, you know. That's my whole idea on this. Like, because it's gone up like 40%, I'm just looking to double down on this like a madman, meaning more longs either from a day/swing trade perspective. And how exactly? I mean, if it does come down here or maybe a little bit lower, doesn't matter. I would love to see my retracement, double break, and then take things up. Now, the likelihood of this happening is actually quite slim compared to the price just absolutely slamming the freaking gas on this and just going, but I'm just showing you possibilities and insights of mine. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.